Ito yung paa nyo, ha? Brother, let's party. Dito si brother. Where are you from, brother? Huh?
Nepal.
Let's party, brother. Fist bump, fist bump. Wait. Dali. Okay, today is last day. Today is our last day at mag-expo day kami. We've been here for the last 3 days. First day, nag-lock-in kami. Second day, bumalik kami sa city because of a client appointment. And last day today, tomorrow uwi na kami. At wala pa kami nakikita sa mga expo dito. Let's go. Yan, right? Ground. Buwan, di ba? Ground.
Marami ka ng
Knock. Someone with that ball?
Yeah, with the smash, you know, like.
Really? You can knock out someone with that ball? Are you serious?
you.
Okay. So I did get your name,
Don't
brother.
be scared.
Bro, what's your name, bro?
Arno.
Arno.
Yeah.
A-R-N-O.
N-O.
I'm
And you?
Ian.
I-A-N.
I-A-N. That's correct.
Yeah, I know some.
Yeah, don't smash it too hard. Hang on. So I'll video myself a little bit. So I'm playing Arno. I got invited here. Which country?
France, I'm from France.
France. From the Philippines.
Okay.
So it will be Philippines versus France.
Yeah.
Diba, Jonathan? Don't be too serious.
Just for fun.
Just for fun.
Just to move the arms.
So
a little bit.
I'm not playing like I'm just a beginner. So just to. Dito ka na, lapit ka. Parang ganda. Say hi first.
Hello.
This is Arno from
Yes.
from France,
Arno from
and I'm Ian from the Philippines.
It's Philippines versus
Philippines versus France.
France.
Warming up.
Warming up.
Oh, you're not so beginner.
Yeah, a little bit but when I was still a kid. So we're playing Arno. I got invited here. He's the number one player in Dubai.
The table is a bit bigger than the normal one.
Bigger or smaller? It feels smaller.
No, it's bigger.
That's why it's easier. See?
Wow.
Hindi ko alam kung paano i-angulo din itong camera.
Yeah, say good na lang.
Ayan, mas maganda dito.
Are you here by yourself?
Yeah.
With a friend?
Friend invited me. She's there now.
Working.
I don't know where she went, but
How long have you been here?
I worked as well.
Dapat mas kaso on.
You mean in Dubai?
Yeah.
Five years now.
Ay, kunin mo yung mic ko. May mic.
5 years?
Yung mic.
Here in
yung mic,
Dubai?
Yung mic.
Wow.
And you? Yeah.
15 days and then we're going back. We just went to an
Ah.
So I got invited by Arno, right there. And then he was going around asking people to play, and I said like we're working, but I realized why not? So we could at least have something on TikTok. So hello, Arno.
Yeah. And
So-
you can have a break from work.
Yeah, I know. We've been working since like the last 3 days. So I was asking, like, you've been here in Dubai for how long?
5 years.
Ooh. 5 years. And then you're doing what?
In the UAE,
Yeah.
well, I connect people with nature.
Oh, okay. Okay. Tell me more about it. Do you want to share?
Of course, I can share.
Yeah.
So there are 2 ways I do that.
So interview while the ping
So
pong
the
becomes
first,
serious and serious.
the first one is I don't multitask. There is one way to connect people to nature.
Yeah, and
Only
not
one
through ping
thing
pong, and not through competitive ping pong.
We do, or if we do, I cannot talk at the same time.
Okay, okay. But casual talk, and then but in France,
Yeah.
you're doing the same thing or different one?
No, I only do it here because I live here.
What,
But
what what were you doing before in France?
Before I was doing real estate.
Okay, in France
Yeah, and still I own the company in France.
until now.
Yeah, until now. We rent apartments in 2 cities in France.
But right now, I mean, obviously, real estate is big in Dubai. How come you're not doing real estate? You're tired of it?
I like your questions.
Yeah, I mean, it's an interesting question. While we're doing ping pong. Ooh, sorry. How long have you been? Are you like staying here full time in the hotel?
No, I don't stay here. My friend invited me to join her today. But I live 15 minutes from here
Which direction? Going back to the city.
to Dubai.
Yeah. We were there like for 7 days. Oh, that's a good one.
Where?
Just different hotels.
Which in Dubai, you mean?
Yeah, different hotels, and then some of the hotels are becoming like really high, and then we just want to spend time working together.
Yeah.
So there's no point to be in the city. So we
but
went
yeah.
here. It's cheaper and bigger,
Of course.
nicer, right?
And it's quieter
Yeah, and quiet.
and more trees.
More trees. That's correct. That's correct.
I will go. Do you need anything from me?
All right, let's play a little bit.
Okay, France, Philippines.
Yeah, France. I've been to France like last year.
Okay.
France. So my son did a junior term abroad. So
What? He did what?
he did the exchange program
Exchange program. Okay.
in what's the city after? I forgot. Lille,
Lille, north
Lille.
of France.
Lille, and
Yeah.
so it was Paris.
Paris,
Lille.
Lille.
We went to Switzerland,
Switzerland. In
Italy,
Yeah.
and then back to Paris.
Great.
Yeah.
I guess you liked it.
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
For the serve, this one.
Okay.
I serve.
Okay. Okay.
This one should be
It
out.
feels it's going to be 11-0.
No way.
Zero. So I'm 0, he's 1.
No.
This is already a preview of things to come. Wait, use your left hand. You're a pro, you should be using the other hand.
Why?
Huh? So it's
No, I'm not a pro. You're as good as me. Oof.
1-1.
You're gonna knock me out finally.
My serve?
Yeah. We go to 11.
Okay, okay. 2-1.
As long as you set the right narrative, it's just about your point.
3.
3-1. So his if I win, I'm gonna give him McDonald's.
You're gonna give me.
If I win, he's gonna give his house in France.
Allez.
Oh, 3-2.
Okay.
I'll just wish you'll have a lot of errors. Kunin mo rin. Okay, so
4-2.
score 4-2. You know, Arno, this is our video.
So I can easily edit this in the end. So, who serve? My serve, your serve.
You serve.
Okay.
Wow. Nice. Nice. Not so big.
Today is my lucky day. No, no,
You are protecting yourself.
I've been. Last time I played was high school.
Okay, but you played well apparently in high school.
And then lately, I was just like trying to play with my kids at home.
Okay.
No, no. Ah,
My turn. 5-3.
5-3. Game.
No.
5-4.
5-4.
Ah,
6.
6. I'm messing up. Beginner's luck. See, Arno?
I know.
Beginner's luck for me. That's why I was making it.
Maybe you speak too much.
I'm because you speak too much. That's a good point.
8-4.
No, I'm trying to speak because I know I'm going to lose. That's why I'm like just trying to compensate. with
If you say you know you're going to lose, of course you're going to lose.
I know because you're good. Ah,
5.
let's score. 8-5.
Ah.
8-6. Yeah, let's go Philippines.
6. 8-6. Yeah.
9-6.
Yep. Thank
Your
you.
serve.
Okay.
Ah,
10.
10-6. Oh, sorry.
Let.
Net.
Still 10-6. Ten seven. Nice one.
Score?
7-10.
7-10. Ah! Okay.
11.
11.
Someone wanna play?
Thank you
Good
so
game.
much. Yeah,
Yeah.
good game. A little bit of a message from France from Arno to the Philippines. Like, whatever.
Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. I know there was a typhoon recently there, so
Oh, good job.
yeah, it was severe. And hello from Dubai. Bye bye.
I say, what's a good, hello, mahal ko kayo. You say, mahal ko kayo. It means I love you in the Philippines.
Mahal ko kayo.
Yeah. Are you single, married already, with kids, family?
I have a partner.
I have a partner.
She's in China now. She's
Oh.
traveling.
French?
No, Chinese.
Oh, Chinese. But she's based in China.
No, she's based in Dubai with me.
Okay.
She's
She just went.
Para sa mga nalilito at nagtatanong, bakit? Anong question ulit? Okay, time to move. Hindi pa kami nakakagala dito sa expo. Mababa ni araw. So right now, maliwanag pa. Later, mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano itsura nito once fully lighted na tong Al Wasl Dome. Hopefully tama yung sinabi ko.
Sunset.
Ganda para parating. Palubog na yung sunset at habulin natin. Tara, isang selfie guys. Let's go. Isang selfie. Bago matapos yung ano.
Sunset.
Wait.
Galing din ano. Tingnan mo.
Dali. Tang. Sige, i-mute ko naman sabihin mo.
Okay. Yan, gitna ma. Oo, gitna. Yan, nakagitna. Diretso ka lang ha, dyan ka lang. Dyan ka lang na pwesto.
Hi ma'am, welcome to Expo City. Want to ride Expo Tour taxi service riding on the day?
Gabit Dito kayo, dito. Ayan.
Okay, currently, I'm just documenting the moment with the gang, Dubai team, Dubai gang. Anita, let's go.
Let's go, Dubai.
Ivy. Dawi,
Let's go, sir.
Ryan. Dapat ano kayo, yung parang may Power Rangers na pose pag pinakilala ko yun. So ulitin ko ah. So I'm hanging out here with our Dubai team, Dubai gang. Ulitin ko. So I'm hanging out here with our Dubai team, Dubai gang. And let's go. Anita, Ivy, Dawi, Ryan, Jonathan. Dapat yung tatumbling ka, tapos nakaganon, yung isang kamay nakaganon. Okay. And Jonathan. Hindi, yung parang tumambling, tapos nakaluhod sa sahig. Yung parang naglanding galing sa langit. Ready? And Jonathan. Hindi, ganito. Yung kamay ko hindi, yung paa mo ilalagay Okay Oh. 1, 2, 3. And Jonathan. Grabe, takas yung isang kamay nakaganon. Yan. Okay. And Jonathan. Tingin ka dito. Yan ang superhero. Yan, okay. Buti itong mga kasama ko madali mautak. Actually, nandito kami for the last 3 days. Ngayon lang kami lumabas. Second day, umikot kami pabalik sa Dubai City. So, buti na lang dumating sila Anita. Ipapasyal kami dito sa waterfall. Anong tawag dito sa waterfall?
Man-made waterfall.
Man-made waterfall. Whatever. Guys, ang ganda dyan lang kayo. Tayo lang kayo dyan. Isang selfie. Hiwalay. Yan, hiwalay. Yan, kanya-kanyang pose. Power Rangers pose. Okay, ready? Picture 1. This is a waterfall here in Dubai Expo City. Galing oh. Sarap pakinggan. Grabe, Anita. Women's bathroom, pinakamalaki. Pinakamalaki sa buong mundo na women's bathroom. Grabe, no? Isang buong building Women's bathroom lang yun. Grabe. Big time talaga dito. Ano?
Ganyan sila kayaman dito. Parang ginagawa lang bathroom yung ganyang kagandang building.
Grabe yung building, ginawang bathroom lang.
Tapos maganda sana mamayang gabi.
Yan, soda pop yung ipa-play ko dito music, soda pop. 1, 2, 3, go!
Hey! Soda pop! Dapat nasulo natin.
Guys, ito ang futuristic city. Imagine mo kung nakatira ka sa city, konti tao, everything's well-designed, well-placed. Ito po yung city na yun. Grabe oh. Para kang nakatira sa ibang planeta.
Ang ganda nito.
Grabe oh. Kasi hindi mo ma-imagine yung ganitong klaseng architecture, combination of design, yung place. Ito yung mga na-imagine mo na parang mga, anong tawag doon? Sa mga utopian cities of the future. Tapos wala pang katao-tao. Kaya napaka-surreal na moment. I-feel nyo tong moment na to kasi walang ganitong klaseng moment na unang-una walang tao dahil kinoconstruct lang Expo City. Pangalawang ganda ng panahon, malamig. Pangatlo, ito yung mga pag-aaralan mo yung mga design intent nito. Ito yung mga green city, city of the future, yung mga ganong klaseng sustainable na ano ba ginawa nila, na planning to make whatever we're seeing right now, it's really meant to show that they are building for the future. Sobrang astig. Tsaka grabe yung level of design nito. Tingnan nyo na lang yung na yan. Yung ginawa nilang partition cladding dyan. Yung design na yan. Diba? Mindfulness to all the details. Sobrang cool. Dawi. Yung dawi ito. Kahit ito. Yung mga, anong tawag dito? Anong tawag na ganitong, nakalimutan ko. No. Yung, ang tawag dito?
Cottontail?
Hindi ko alam. Basta. Tinatamad ako mag-isip tsaka mag-research. Hindi, yung yung parang sa kugo ng grass. What's the term for it? Ayaw mo na nga. Ayaw ko na isipin.
Another part ng Expo City. Stones. Ano yun, sir?
Puro kita mag-vlog. Ano mo yan? Harap po sa...
Yan, point ko na yan, sir.
Ganyan mo. Pag ganyan ka masyado yan. Ganyan.
Okay.
Unang-una, connect with the camera. So, try mo ituro yung camera like hello, hi.
Hello,
ganyan.
hi, I'm
Imagine
Ryan.
mo
Yup.
may tao sa likuran.
Imagine ko may tao. Okay.
Imagine mo may tao sa likuran ng camera. Pangalawa, imagine mo yung nasa likuran, best friend mo lang, madali kausapin. Tapos pangatlo, isipin mo, hindi mo i-upload, buburahin mo rin. Gets mo? So pag nagkamali ka, buburahin. Yun yung tatlong mindset. Huwag mo isipin na maraming tao, huwag mo isipin na maraming tao, huwag mo isipin na magkakamali ka. So isipin mo kahit magkakamali ka, buburahin mo. Yun yung mindset dyan. Huwag mo i-mindset yung nahihiya ka, natatakot ka, i-judge ka. Kasi at the end of the day, nasa phone mo eh. Diba? So i-record mo lang, get it done. Tsaka mo na isipin ko, ipopost mo hindi. Pero isipin mo lang na kausapin mo siya na parang best friend. Best friend mo,
parang
may
best
likuran.
friend.
Buburahin mo. Ano yung tatlo?
Buburahin ko.
Best friend mo, na nasa likuran,
buburahin mo.
buburahin mo rin. Ano ulit yun?
Best friend mo nasa likuran at buburahin din. Hello bro. So,
Kunwari si Jeric kausap mo dyan sa likod.
kunyari si Jeric, Brad.
Yan, ganyan, exactly. So, kasi ang ginagawa mo na, nakakakonect ka sa camera dahil may inisip kang tao sa likuran. So, yung taong nanonood, na-feel niya yung connection. Walang mangyari sa'yo pag hindi mo kinausap yung camera na as if may tao talaga sa likuran. Dahil parang ma-feel ng tao, hindi mo siya kausap. Dumadaldal ka lang, umayaw-yaw ka lang.
Tapos
Let's go.
umaalis-alis
Send mo sa
yung...
akin yan.
Sige po, sige po.
Oh, stop mo. Lakad lang, appreciating the entire design of Dubai Expo City. Sobrang astig. Pati itong mga boulders naging part ng design Ang cool. Ganda ng design. Gagawa ng mga ganitong bato rin. Dawi. Kada uwi ko, mag-uwi ako ng malalaking bato. Dawi. Pasok ba yan sa 25? Isa-isa lang. Pasok ba yan sa kada 25 kilos? 35 ang budget ko. So isang hakot, isang punta ko. So pag uwi ko, bawat bato, ibig sabihin magsisymbolize ilang beses ako nag-travel sa Dubai. Okay, nandito kami somewhere in the middle of Expo City. At talagang ima-marvel mo lang the way they do create, design, build things. Parang ano ata ito Ano bang tawag sa ganyan? Memorial nila. We are proud of our heroes' patriotism. Our martyrs will always remain in our hearts. You'll never be forgotten. Halika dito. Anita. Tingnan mo to. Ivy, tingnan mo to, bilis. Tingnan mo, sobrang astig. So ito, gumagamit sila ng technology para lahat na sasabihin mo dyan mag-i-echo. Tapos kaya merong parang certain, ang tawag ba dyan? Sound reflection technology. Jordan, bilisan mo. Papakita ko sa yung technology.
Science pala.
Ito mo to science Lahat na sasabihin mo dyan mag-i-echo. Dito, pag sinigaw mo dyan. Gagana. Manood ka. Ito mo. Sample muna ako. Hello!
Totoo nga.
Hello, di ba?
Grabe, ang pangit.
Hello, Arbab!
Ay! Totoo nga.
Grabe, galing
Anong gusto niyo i-request ko sabihin niyo?
Baka sabihin sinasabi namin.
I love you, Abni!
I love you, Abni.
Kita mo, from Ryan.
Try nga natin.
Hindi, si Ryan pala si Ryan. Ikakat ko na, ikakat ko. I love you, Abni, go. I love you, Abni.
I love you! I love you! Ito nga, babae.
Ano sabi mo? I love you too.
natin.
Sabi mo. I love you.
I love you! Hindi, babae naman. Hindi natin.
Tara, Dawi.
Babae naman.
Babae, tingnan natin maging babae.
I love you.
Sabi mo, mirror on the wall. Kailangan magkakajowa. Go.
Mirror, mirror on the world. Kailan ako
ayusin mo,
magkakatawa?
huwag kang bulog. Mirror on the wall.
Mirror, mirror on the wall.
Kailan
Kailan ako makakapag-jowa
Nang
ng arbab?
Tignan natin. Uncalculated.
naghang yung system. Tara, Dawi. Let's go. Loading daw. Ay, gumana. Hindi gumana yung crystal ball.
Nakakainis, ano ba naman yan? Diyos ko, ito na po mag-asa.
Ito yung boat before and it's a symbolism of Dubai as being tradesmen. Kasi katabi nila yung dagat dito, di ba? So kilala sila and they're very proud of their roots na ang mga ancestors nila are strong, good tradesmen within this the Middle East region all the way hanggang Europe. Kaya palagi nila sinisimbolize yan. Yung sailboats nila. Sabi astig, tingnan nyo to, floating building. So yan yung ilalim ng building and it's a floating slanted building. Di ba sobrang astig?
Okay, welcome to Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Vlog tayo konti. So right now, we are appreciating this moment. By the way, today is our last day here in Dubai at in-invite natin sila Anita, Dawi, Ivy na magstay sa hotel kasama namin. So 6 na kami nagsisiksikan, magtatago, maglalatag. Hindi, joke lang. So we got another room para sa grupo. So para mamaya magbabanding kami, tapos magmo-movie night kami. And ang ganda lang experience namin. Ganun yung experience namin normally dito sa Dubai. We go around. So, obviously, may regular work sila sa city. Pero pag nandito ako, ayoko na pumunta doon sa city, di ba? Tayo naman, lumalabas sa city after some business appointments. Tapos sinasama natin yung team. Tapos ganito lang, nag-hangout, naglalakad, nagkakantuhan, sa sightseeing. Specifically this one, nandito kami sa Dubai Expo City. Sobrang astig nito. Para siyang building structure na naka-slant. Tapos nagpa-float. Stigo. Lapit tayo. Mga futuristic city na grabe yung architectural design, mindfulness sa details, perfect climate, perfect weather, tapos wala pang katao-tao. Ito yun yung kung ano yung na-experience namin dito sa Dubai Expo City. At kaya walang tao kasi mag-start pa lang ito on Dubai 3. Most of the parks here, theme parks, museum, sa December 3 pa mag-open. So halos walang katao-tao at napakamura rin na hotel. And we are using this opportunity para makakuha kami ng murang hotel to get away from the city at mag-bonding na rin kasama ng team na nandito ngayon. They will be staying here for tonight, movie watching kami mamaya, and kakain, and yun lang. So konting bonding before we go back to the Philippines and leave them here in Dubai. Okay, so documenting this moment na magkakasama kami. This is our last day, last night here in Dubai. Tomorrow babalik na kami ng Philippines. And kasama natin si Ryan, Buwan, Jonathan Alvarez, Ivy Mandagan, Dawi ano?
David sir.
Bugwas.
And si Anita na single, available at naghahanap ng ng arbab dito sa Dubai. Anyway, gusto ko lang i-document the moment na to na magkakasama kami. Kasi minsan, for example, ako naglalakad ako dito. By the way, nandito pala kami sa Dubai Expo City. Hindi pa nag-open siya for tourist season. Mag-start siya December 3-4 more or less. So doon dadami ang mga tourists. Right now talaga in-enjoy namin to. Even though marami pang close na mga museum tsaka theme parks, na-enjoy naman namin yung parang yung yung exclusivity feel, yung privacy. Kasi halos walang katao-tao. As in halos walang katao-tao. Tapos ang ganda ng lugar, ang ganda ng weather. Magkakasama kami, nag-hangout lang, nagkukulitan.
Punta kami dito.
And ina-appreciate lang namin yung moment, yung lugar, yung views, yung architecture, yung pagiging futuristic look and feel niya. Very hindi ko masabi kung impressive lang, pero lang siya, parang talagang sinisavor lang namin yung moment. Nakakatuwa lang. And syempre, kasama na rin doon yung masaya, kasama yung ating Dubai team.
Ano yung
Ba?
saya? Sulat.
Yun lang. Very simple lang kaligayahan namin dito. Sometimes it's not even the place, the location. Importante nga sa amin magkakasama. By the way, for tonight, nag-book na rin sila ng hotel dito kasi malayo siya sa city. Para mamaya magkakasama rin kami. Mag-ano pa tayo? Mag-movie night pa kami.
Saka yung dome. Maganda yun.
Yan, titingnan namin yung dome, lighting, kakain kami, tapos mag-movie night. Bonding lang talaga before heading back to the Philippines. And yun din yung isang linulook forward ko when I'm coming from the Philippines, babalik, schedule ko naman bumalik ng Dubai. Ang linulook forward ko, it's not really just the work, the lights, and the city. Ang linulook forward ko rin, maka-bonding din sila ulit dito. Diba, Rai?
Okay po.
Lokal ka na pala dito, right?
Let's go!
Let's go!
Oh, may nagpe-play pala na parang orchestra dito. Akala namin, nakatambay kami doon. Nakikinig kami. Akala namin na parang background, lang siya, music coming from the speakers. Meron talagang orchestra. Jonathan. Magaling yung mga presenters natin ng Christmas party dito. Parang mas magagaling pa sa Pilipinas.
Kaya nga eh. Grabe yung praktisado talaga sila.
Naturuan mo talaga yung mga ano mo, no? Anong pangalan ng group nila?
Ang pangalan nila, The Black.
Hindi, yung mga pangalan doon sa office, the Bethlehem. Bethlehem yung nag-ano, Team Bethlehem. Yung ano, nagpe-present dyan.
Kuya, we're back. Ito yung convenience store na bumubuhay sa amin dito sa Dubai Expo. Gabi-gabi dito kami bumibili. Dahil walang restaurant doon, sobrang mahal. So paulit-ulit bumibili kami ng rice meals dito.
Diet kayo, papanggap kayo.
Saan yung rice meal sa favorite ko? Ano yung beef?
Wala na po rin.
Chicken adobo. Chili chicken. Grabe, nagkagulo na guys dito. Nagkagulo na ang Pinoy community dito. Pag wala kang pera dito, nagpa-budget ka. Lalo na dito sa Dubai Expo. Sabi ko kila Anita kasi magdala na ng pagkain namin for tonight. Hindi pa nagdala. So ngayon, back to square one naman kami nila Jonathan.
Chili beef, ito yung beef. Ito yung...
Ganyan. Akin din. Dalawa. Duwara. Duwara labat.
Chili beef.
May itlog pa ba tayo? Bigay itlog. Meron tayo lahat.
Hindi, syempre. Kaya mo na sila kasi
Parang konti na naman yan, isang piraso lang yan.
Itlog. Ubos sa itlog doon, no? Ubos sa itlog natin.
binili namin.
Ubos sa itlog natin. Oh, pwede na yun. Magdadalawa. Oh, may saging doon.
May saging
May
ka akong
saging,
binili.
tsaka... may saging kang binili. Grabe, nagkakagulo na dito.
Sulit na biryani yung rice.
Nagkakagulo na, nagkakagulo. Yan, pati siya nagkakaubusan. Pati siya na-intriga.
Panik-panik agad.
Nagkakagulo na dito, nagpa-panic buying na yung mga tao. Wala na yung salad kahapon. Jonathan, yung salad. Yung first day. Wala. Bilog bibig. Let's go. So bigay ko sa inyo yung storya. Nag-check-in kami dito sa Dubai Expo City for the last 3 days. Ito yung malaking problema. Walang mga medium to low end restaurants dito. At ang hirap naman gumasa sa restaurants every day. So what we're doing, we're eating at the buffet of the hotel every morning. Somewhere in the middle, hinihintay na, kasi late na rin kami gumigising. So late na rin kami nagla-lunch. So just in time for the dinner time. Pag dinner time, ang hindi namin ma-afford yung mga restaurants within this area. So anong ginagawa namin? Pumupunta kami all the way from Rove City, papunta dito sa Metro. Convenience stores. Tapos dito kami namimili. So for the last 3 days, palagi namin minimit si Kabayan. Anong pangalan ni Kabayan, Jonathan? Anong pangalan ni Kabayan dito? Ha? Rafi?
Hindi ko alam.
So, sabi natin si Rafi pangalan niya. Gabi-gabi kami, hinihintay niya, nagtatawanan lang kami dito. Kinikwentuhan lang namin. He's from Cebu, kasama niya yung wife na dito. Tapos yun lang, punta kami dito, initin namin, microwave namin, balik kami sa hotel. Tapos doon na yun, hangout, tsaka mag-movie night na lang kami, every night. Today is our last night, and tomorrow pabalik na kami Philippines. Yan. Go, sayo. Lapit ka pa. Lapit ka pa. Sige, lapit ka pa. Yan. Okay. Isa pa ulit. 1.
O, go. Right camera, tingin.
Mali ako.
Sorry. Explain.
Tingnan mo, play mo.
Sabi ko tama na pero masabi mo sa'kin umirit ka pa ng isa. Kung ganon, inom mo na ngayon. Anong pakibo dyan sa boyfriend mo? Ako ang gusto mo, hindi mo
Ito pa. Dali. Ready?
Sa alak hanggang matumba. Ang sabi ko tama na pero masabi mo sa'kin umirit ka pa ng isa. Kung ganon, inom mo na ngayon. Anong pakibo dyan sa boyfriend mo? Ako ang gusto mo, hindi mo mapipigil yun.
Hindi, huwag sa tawa. Hindi, wag. O, go.
Sa alam hanggang matumba. Ang sabi ko tama na pero masabi mo sa'kin umirit ka pa ng isa. Kung ganon, inom mo na ngayon. Anong pakibo dyan sa boyfriend mo? Ako ang gusto mo, hindi mo
Ready? Ready, action.
Hello? Sandali.
Tulog. Camera, action.
Alak hanggang matumba. Sabi ko tama na pero masabi mo sa'kin umirit ka pa ng isa. O kung ganon, inom mo na ngayon.
Hello?
Kebo dyan sa boyfriend mo. Ako ang gusto mo, hindi mo mapipigil yun. At alam mo yun, sa kanya ka ba?
Ito yung interior design nila sa loob, up close and personal. So para nagpa-float yung mga couches nila. Leather seating, ganda na leather seating. Ito yung type of chair designs nila. Tables and yeah, that's it.
Ito na.
Yung kanina.
Pangit yung kanina.
Guys, it's our last. Huwag kayo maingay, huwag kayo maingay. It's our last night. It's our last night. Oh! It's our last night in Dubai. And it's time to party in our Rove Club in Expo City. Hey! Up! Here we go! Go! It's okay.
Sabayin natin yung mamaya.
Umiinom.
Lower.
Tuloy lang ang Christmas party dito sa Dubai.
Christmas party dito sa Dubai. Kala nyo kayo lang, ha?
Yan na. Alright.
Steady ka no?
Mali yung drop ko.
Kala nyo kayo lang nagpo-party dyan sa Manila, ha?
Mas malakas ang party yan dito sa Dubai.
Mamaya, yung doom. Pag umilaw yung doom.
Papasukin na natin yung mga Russians, right?
Sige. Kamin.
Yung mga Russians.
Pasukan na sila.
Yung mga Russians. Yeah. Oh, transition. Tingin sa camera. Turo niyo yung camera. Bilog. Turo. Yan. Turo niyo lang yung camera.
You forgot.
Relax lang. Bilis mo, Anita. Relax lang. Yan. Go. Unforgettable. Turo.
Mabagal lang.
Turo niyo camera. Lasing. Kunwari lasing na. Kunwari lasing na. Yan. Grabe si Ray. Wasted na. May regali kan.
Ay, favorite dance mo yan. Mr. Joy, yung favorite.
Ba, taas. Go. Oh. Lower. Ryan, lower. Break that. Spin. Oy, grabe. Okay. Love music. Nagyayakapan. Kunwari yung jowa ni Ryan dito sa Dubai na hindi pa niya kilala. Okay.
Dito.
Okay. Okay, that's it, Dubai. We'll be going home tomorrow. And sobrang enjoy itong biyahe na to For all the Madrid Nation, we're open to the new talents that we're onboarding here in Dubai. Join lang kayo, sama kayo. Chill and party lang kami palagi dito sa Dubai. Oh, let's go! Let's go! Oh, ba't ako po? Tayo! Pagod na ba sila, tita? Tita! Tita, tita! Ay, sumasakit yung likod daw. Yung move ni Ivy, kunwari hindi sumasakit likod eh.
Alright.
Sayaw din, no? Sayaw ni?
Napapasayaw na yan si Ryan eh.
Si David, kunwari may kayakapan sa sulok. Talikod, talikod. May kayakapan sa duya. Grabe. Kayakapan. Tara. Ito na, nag-start na. Wow. Stig, sobra. Tignan nyo kung gaano kadami tsaka kalaki yung mga gigantic 3D mapping projectors sila. Tignan nila. Sige, no? Do, takbo ka bilis. Patagilid. Hindi, sa side ka kita.
Sakyan ko, saglit. Okay, chill. Diyan ko.
Okay, let's go. Tatakbo tayo hanggang doon. And si Jonathan yung ating videographer from the scooter. Tignan natin kung maganda effect. Ray, pahawak.
Patisgrasya kayo, ha? Kaya mo yan, Mr. Joe?
Late ng bagay.
Break muna. Dali muna yan. Okay na. Ready ka?
Steady yan.
Daan.
Naghahin na cellphone. Isang bike.
So nag times 5 ka na?
Ha?
Nag times 5 ka?
Hindi. Prepaid naman siya, sir.
1 hour isang bike. Isira tong ano niya.
Kaya alin na malulubat na yun. Bakit? 5 minutes na lang. Saka 5 minutes, 5%.
So, tonight's our last night. Tapos, ngayon lang namin naisipan mag-scooter ng buong grupo. Ito na. Scooter boys. Ryan, Dawi. Sobrang saya. Ang na-enjoy pa namin, walang katao-tao dito sa Expo kasi in construction pa karamihan ng mga ano dito para mga theme parks sila. So for now, solo namin siya. Malamig, konti tao. And feeling ko, ito lang yung mga moments na hindi na mangyari ulit. Kasi next time, sobrang dami tao na dito. Halika na. Scooter boys, girls, let's go. Let's go. Halika na, bili tayo ulit ng Tapsilog. Bili tayo ulit Tapsilog. Halika na. Bili ulit na Tapsilog. Dito ko.
Kailangan mag-enjoy.
Sobrang astig yung experience namin ngayong visit ko dito sa Dubai. Sobrang ang cool. Sobrang ang cool na experience. Hello.
Hi!
Malayo eh. Parang dito. Nakakita naman siya pero yung lakad
Oh, game. Time to move. Ikaw, Jonathan, mawak. Nasa harapan yung hindi hahawak. Sa harapan ka, Dawi.
Anong gagawin ko?
Hindi nyo mababa na. Woo! Tara, tapos punta tayo doon sa dulo. Game, sabay tayo, tabi tayo. Tabi tayo. Wala na si Anita, iwanan na. Iwanan na to si Anita. Wala, hindi gumagana. Tumakbo ka na lang.
Yan malulubat.
Tumakbo ka na lang.
Dito, sa likod. Tabi. Wala ko Anita, manual.
Anita, tumakbo ka na lang. Lobat, hintayin nyo kasi si Anita. Hello. Anita, tumakbo ka na lang. Ha? Wala nga, hindi nakabukas, nakapatay. Tagal mo ito.
Huwag kang matigas kasi baka soft na lang.
Okay, nagkakagulo. Nagkakagulo kung anong setup namin. Ready na?
Ready na. Wala yung ano ko.
Ano to? Power Rangers. Red.
Power Ranger.
Nervyoso daw to, nervyoso.
Go. May bawal. Oh, not allowed.
Just one?
Oh, tara, boys. Okay. Let's go, boys only. Let's go, boys only. Go. Let's go. So dapat unahan mo ako, tapos uunahan kita ulit. Slow down ka. Unahan mo ako. Go. Oh, Dawi, unahan mo ako, go.
Kabila ako muna. Bagal yung akin. Mabigat ako.
Oh, tas unahan ko kayo. Go, slow down. Woo! Slow down. Yan, tas kaway. Dawi doon ka sa gilid. Oh, tas unahan nyo ako.
Dito tayo lahat, kanan.
Yan, go. Unahan nyo ako.
Maganda yung akin.
Go, Ray.
Ay.
Oh, go. Pabalik. Go. Oh, wait. Ako muna. Unahan nyo ko sa kanan, ha. Oh, go.
Let's go, baby!
Geng.
Oh, wait. Go, go, go. Ako naman, ako naman. Woohoo! Wait, wait, wait. Huwag kayong bumilis. Oh, go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Kayo naman.
Bumungguan pa tayo.
Okay, oh. Ako muna. Yan. Oh, unahin nyo na ako.
Ako na.
Kaway. Woo! Sa kanan. Oh, tapos hintayin nyo ako. Ako naman. Tapos ako naman. Sabay-sabay tayo. Sabay-sabay tayo, apat. Okay, tingin. Woohoo! Oh, tapos, wait. Tapos ako mauna. Oh, tapos unahan nyo ako.
Tayo tumigil, agad na din presentang si Anita.
Hinintay ko lang sumemplang si Anita eh. Feeling ko kailangan hagipin ni Jonathan eh. Kailangan i-bully. Kailangan i-bully.
Marunong ang mag-bike. Motor hindi.
Let's go gang. Let's go gang. Unahan nyo ako. Sabay. Unahan ko kayo. Sisingit ako sa gitna. Wait. Woo! Kaway. Oh, grabe si Anita. Kaliwa. Grabe din ako mga paniwala na solo namin itong buong lugar dito sa Expo City. Walang katao-tao. Para siyang spaceship na inarkila mo. Unahan ko kayo. Punta sa likod ko. Let's go! Game, ready?
Go!
Ready, Anita?
Ready!
Dito ka sa left side ko. Ready, Jonathan?
Let's go!
Ivy, wait, ready?
Wait lang, sir.
Ivy, ready?
Ready!
Jonathan, ready?
Ready!
Anita?
Ready!
Ready? Unahan hanggang dulo ha. Unahan hanggang dulo. In 3, 2, 1. Go. Hoy, huwag ka masyado mabilis, Anita. Seryoso. Anita.
Competitive kasi yan.
I-meet ko lang dito. Kunwari, bilis, competitive go. Competitive, kunwari go. Competitive look. Anita, go. Uy, babangga pa. Kailangan mo, bully mo, Jordan. Bully mo si Anita. Bully mo si Anita. Jordan.
Ay, grabe.
Anita, bully mo. I-bully mo si Anita.
Go. Ang lamig!
Yun na si Jordan. Humataw.
Lamig. Dapat pala may scarf tayo dito. Ang lamig din. Ganda.
Oo nga, ganda sobra. Wow! Grabe, ang ganda dito. Let's go! Jonathan, sa likod.
Let's go, Dubai.
Sa likod, go. Go, sa likod, gilid.
Let's go.
Gilid. Tara. Ah.